Have you ever heard someone speaking under their breath, almost whispering, but not really whispering? That sound has a name, and today, we're exploring the word mutter. The word mutter means to speak quietly and unclearly, usually because of anger, annoyance, nervousness, or deep thought. When someone mutters, their words are often hard to hear or understand. People usually mutter when they don't want others to fully hear what they are saying. Mutter is pronounced mtr. The word mutter is mainly used as a verb. It can also be used as a noun, though this is less common. As a verb, mutter describes the action of speaking softly and indistinctly. As a noun, it refers to a low, unclear sound of speech. Let's look at some synonyms of mutter. Murmur, mumble, grumble, whisper, and complain quietly. These words all describe soft or unclear speech, but mutter often suggests emotion, especially irritation. Now, some antonyms of mutter include shout, announce, declare, and speak clearly. These words describe loud, confident, or clear speech, the opposite of muttering. Here are a few example sentences to help you understand real-life usage. He muttered angrily when he realized he was late for work. She muttered to herself while searching for her lost keys. The student muttered an apology after making a mistake. Notice how mutter often shows emotion without directly stating it. It helps listeners imagine the speaker's mood. In daily life, people mutter when they are frustrated, shy, tired, or thinking deeply. It's a very expressive word that adds realism to conversations and storytelling. By learning words like mutter, you can better understand spoken English and express emotions more naturally. Keep learning with Thesaurus Thrive.